Shenyang Huawei Laser Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited, founded in 2017, is a leading and highly professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and comprehensive service of laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, robotic automatic welding machines, and various other advanced welding and laser processing equipment. Located in the dynamic and rapidly developing industrial hub of Shenyang City, we enjoy convenient access to major transportation networks, logistics systems, and well-integrated supply chains. Our company is committed to strict quality control, continuous technological innovation, and exceptional customer support. Our highly experienced, trained, and dedicated staff are always available to communicate with clients, understand detailed requirements, and deliver effective, custom-made, and efficient solutions that meet or exceed expectations. We have earned multiple certifications, including the Quality Management System Certificate, Environmental Management System Certificate, and Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, demonstrating our strong commitment to high standards in manufacturing, environmental sustainability, and workplace health and safety. Huawei Laser S products are well received and widely used in cities and provinces throughout China, and we are continuously expanding our presence in international and global markets. We proudly support product categorization, offer full OEM and ODM capabilities, and actively seek long-term agent cooperation and distribution partnerships worldwide. Whether you are selecting equipment from our existing catalog or require specialized engineering support, our professional service team is fully equipped and ready to meet your sourcing and technical needs. Huawei Laser is dedicated to delivering highly reliable products, cutting-edge technology, and building strong, mutually beneficial, and long-term partnerships with customers around the world.